When you welcome someone into your home to make repairs, you want to make sure they're reliable and trustworthy. When it comes to your windows and bathrooms, you can count on a family-owned business that's been helping people for generations. And Jamie Schloy, representative of Windows Direct USA, joins me now. Great to see you.
Thanks. I'm excited to be here. This is fun.
Yeah, and when it comes to windows and things, I mean, everybody's talking about energy efficiency, trying to bring down home energy costs. Can new windows really make a difference?
Not everybody realizes, because, you know, who studies windows, right? That the technology involved in window making has really increased over the course of just the last 10 years. So if your windows are 10 years or older, or you have builder grade windows, which means, you know, builders tend to put in, you know, not the best windows necessarily, you'll notice a difference. The technology is really much better.
So how long does installation typically take? And during the process, I mean, is there going to be like a huge hole in the wall or?
Yeah, no, it doesn't really work that way anymore. First of all, the order time can be anywhere from 4, 6, 8, 10 weeks. Some stuff we have in inventory, so we can, you know, get it done pretty quickly. But when the actual install day happens, it's pretty uncommon for us not to get it done in 1 or 2 days, and they do one window at a time. So as soon as they get that window out, they put the other one back in, and you're not losing your air conditioning or your heat.
Oh, that's certainly a good thing. So what about offers? What sort of things do you have going on right now?
Well, we've got really the best offers that we've had in a long, long time. We've got some special financing because, you know, interest rates have gone up. So we've worked really hard with our lenders, and right now we've got a deal that's gets you into payments for windows as low as $99 a month. We also have a deal where if you buy 3 windows, you'll get 3 windows free, and I'll tell you, it's competitive out there. So we added on top of that a free upgrade to triple pane windows. So if you get some bids and people come in and they show you the windows, they're usually double pane windows. Triple pane windows are the best of the best, and right now we've got free upgrades.
Well, that sounds good. So aside from windows, Jamie, what if our bathroom is starting to really show its age? Will we be able to get money back by remodeling it?
Absolutely. They say that your kitchen is the first place where you get back your investment, but the bathroom is the second. And it's also one, like the kitchen, that people really enjoy. So if your bathroom feels kind of tired to you, you know, having that upgraded, it's just a lot of fun. And when we do a reveal, when the clients see their finished bathroom for the first time, it's a joy just to see the look on people's faces because they love it.
Oh, I can imagine. So what about the process, though? I mean, it seems to me having your old tub or shower torn out is going to be a pretty long, messy project, isn't it?
Well, there is a lot of tearing out, but our installers get there. They start first thing in the morning, and they'll go till, you know, 6 o'clock at night. And it is pretty common for us to get it done in a day, sometimes 2 at the most.
Oh, that sounds good. So, Jamie, I know that a lot of these projects can certainly be expensive. Do you help with sort of financing options?
Well, on the bath side, which we call My Last Bath, we've got a financing deal just like we do for windows, but it's as low as $74 a month. We are also, again, a lot of competition going on. We've got a deal where you'll get a free shower door and 50% off installation right now.
All right, well, it all sounds good, Jamie. A lot of great information. What's the best way for somebody watching to get in touch with Windows Direct USA to get started?
The easiest thing to do is just go to windowsdirectusa.com, and, you know, we'll get in touch with you right away.
All right, sounds good. Jamie, thanks so much for being with us.
Always a pleasure, always fun. Thanks.